Hi, everybody. Thank you for coming. I see you've all signed the safety waiver. If you read it, you know that inside there are loud noises, bright lights, artificial fog, and some confined spaces. So if you're pregnant, or if you have any significant health conditions, you should definitely sit this out. In a few minutes, you will be placed in the boiler room. You will have a set amount of time where, if you want to survive, you will have to use the items in various boxes around the room to escape. Concentrate on reading the clues given to you carefully and use your time wisely. Be careful with the items in the room, as some of them are fragile and will break if you use force. Remember, you do not need to get wet at any time in order to escape. If you need the experience to end at any time, you can push the panic button. There are 2 panic buttons available within the experience. Pushing either of them at any time will end the experience for the entire group, and you will have to come back at another time to try again. Okay, now what I need you to do is place your wallet, keys, and cell phones in the cubbies underneath the bench. No photos or extra flashlights will be tolerated inside the room. This is cheating, and any use of these items will result in dismemberment and most likely execution. You've got to get out of here. He's turned this room into a giant fucking trash compactor. You're all gonna die. You have to get out.